guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm super excited because your girl went on a hunt for a closure wig. Okay, I needed like a short length. I was looking for around 18-20 inches, virgin hair, of course. So I went on there digging around on Amazon. I found this vendor. I was like, okay, or I found this company and I was like, okay. I looked at the reviews. Everyone was saying that their hair is good, so I said, let me give it a try. Let me see, let me put it to the test. That is on that. When I purchased it, it was $88. Now it's $98. So I don't know if people are finding out if it's trending on TikTok. I don't know what's going on, but I know the price jumped from 88 to 98, I think, or something like that. This is the packaging. This is how it comes. Okay, I haven't bleached it. Y'all see it's in the package. I have not done nothing. It came with the wig cap and it came like this. Okay, it's packaged. It's a nice body wave texture. So we'll actually say human hair, but I guess I don't know if it's a difference now. Y'all got to forgive me because honestly I took my nails off because I wanted to start over, so my nails are bare. So don't come for me, don't come for me. And this is what she's giving, okay, fresh out the pack. Look how pretty this is. Okay, for $88, even though it's almost $100 now. Maybe they knew their worth and said we were selling good hair for cheap, you know. For too cheap. But we gonna put her to the test. She comes wrapped in a little hair net like such. This body wave pattern, this is what it is giving. Y'all see that? It is soft, okay, super soft. This is what the construction looks like underneath. Okay, so this is what the front of the lace is looking like. It does have a comb on the side. I'm gonna cut them off. I may, because I don't like combs on the side. I just don't like combs in general unless it's in the nape. Okay, got a little lace section in the back. Hey y'all, so this is what the lace is given when I put it on. This is what the wig is given when I put it on. This is the overall length. This is really 20 inches. This seems like, and y'all, I was cutting the back of it off and literally cut some of the hair out by mistake because I was trying to cut the lace off in the back. Y'all probably say, what in the world, girl? But this is supposed to be, now this is only shedding because like I said I cut in the back. This is supposed to be 20 inches. Now I guess it's 20. I had no measurement. I guess if you straighten it. Now for the fit, I feel like it's big. I would say big head friendly because I got a big head and it's still loose right up in here on these sides. Did I cut the combs off? No, because I forgot. So I am gonna go in and put it on my mannequin head just to customize it just a little bit. Now I am gonna have to go in and tint the lace, unfortunately, because it's like a transparent white color. Y'all can't stop touching it. I don't know if I don't even know how I'm gonna curl it, but I know she's gonna come out cute. That's all I know.
All right, so now you guys can see that I'm going in and creating a middle part. I do this so I won't pluck in that section. What happened? I want to wear a middle part that day and I done plucked all over there. I can't, okay? So it's very, very crucial. It's very, very important. You create your part first. Now look how fire this closure looks. It's just laying down like butter and I love the density. It is not thick up there. You know, a lot of closures I received, I had to go in and thin them out towards the top because it was just too bulky and it was just not giving, okay? So I love that. That's why this went from probably $88 to $100 because they said, oh no, baby, this unit is too fire for that, okay? So anyway, I'm just going in and pluck the unit, as you guys can see. Now, it might look like I'm doing a lot of plucking, but I'm really not. Wait till it get on my head, y'all see. So I'm just doing a little bit of plucking. So now I'm just going in with my scissors and creating jagged edges. I want to make sure that that piece at the end gets snipped off because sis, we do not want that sitting on our head. Oh no. Now I'm going in with my got2b glue, my handy dandy, my ride or die, my left hand, my right hand. Okay, let me stop. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. I'm using about 1 to 2 layers, and I do my closures in one setting because it's super easy. Closures are beginner friendly. I say that in every one of my closure wig videos because it is. You really cannot go wrong. I try to place it as flat as possible, and I stretch the lace as far as I can, okay? So now I'm going in with my bronzer. I'm just going to take some of that powder and place that on the lace as well. Although it wasn't needed, but look, sis, we're trying to give what lace? That's in full effect. And you can see it here before the meltdown, okay? Y'all see that? What is that? What lace? Period. So anyway, I'm just going in with the Erica J wax stick, and we're gonna sit there and we're gonna hot comb this bad boy down. Like I said, the unit already came super duper flat towards the top. I believe this was 150% intensity overall, but I'm just obsessing right now with I love how flat it is. Like sis. Now I'm just taking some concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and, make this part pop. Now, sometimes your part can be too wide with concealer, but I always clean it up, okay? Y'all see here it's cleaned up, okay? So now we're just going in and do some baby hairs, y'all. I was just gonna do the 2 swoops and call it a day. My last closure wig video, I did my closure like a full wig, like a full lace frontal. So I was like, no, for this closure, we're just gonna do the 2 swoopy swoops, and we're gonna call it a day because it's simple, and I don't feel like it's really hard to create 2 swoops. All right, guys, so now I'm just going in to put some body wave curls in there. I use my Sebastian Shaper Plus spray. I think that's what it's called. Check the description section. And I also use some spritz. Now, I didn't leave the curls on too long. I probably left them on for about 30 seconds and then combed them straight out and then added more spritz because, this was the type of vibe I was giving for this thing, okay? Y'all, let me tell you this. When those customers in the Amazon review were hyping up this hair, they not lying. I did see a piece of string in there. I don't know what they got to do, but I be seeing that sometimes in other vendors, so I can't even try to complain about that because you just take some scissors and cut it out, okay? So I'm here for it, okay? Now this is my first review. This is my first install, so I haven't worn it long enough to see how it actually holds up, but as of this first install, it's it's the regular stuff. I didn't get any tangling. I got minimum shedding, and that was on that. So for $88, even though they jumped it up to $198, this is some good hair. If you're looking for anything around this length, definitely would recommend this Amazon wig seller. Sis, you will not be disappointed, okay? I want to color this hair, y'all. I really do. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought, what you think, if you're gonna try it out for yourself. They do have other lengths available as well. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.